In this video, I'm going to show you how to share Facebook to story. Okay, I'm still having a cold, so my voice may be hoarse. Just bear with me, okay? Okay, let's get started. Once you've logged into your Facebook application, you want to click on what's on your mind at the top. Then just post any random post. Okay, let me just pick any post. You can post a photo, a video, or even write a text. Okay, let me just choose one photo here. Okay, I'll go with the meme. Then after doing this, click on the three dots at the bottom. Make sure if you want to tag somebody or you want to tag your location, it depends with what you want. Then click next. Then you will see this option for share to story. It's currently turned off. Just make sure that you turn it on. Then click save. You can share always or share once. I'll go with share once. Then click save. Then click on the arrow back button. Then click on post. Allow it to load. By this, your post will be shared to both your Facebook timeline, your Facebook profile, and your Facebook story. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.